If you're a young creator, student, or you're just broke and you've tried a lot of ways to make money online, well, this is for you. As a young creator, I've tried a lot of ways to make money online. I've researched and I've done everything, but neither of them have worked until now. Well, this is where Whop comes in. Whop is a platform where you make money online by selling digital products to your customers or your followers. But we are not going into selling digital products for now. What we're going to be doing today is making money through clipping viral videos. A lot of influencers on Whop are ready to pay you up to $3 per 1,000 views just to clip viral videos for them. So now, if you go to the Discover page on Whop and you scroll down to content rewards, you're going to see a lot of pages willing to pay you $1 per 1,000 views. Win Soft Creator Clubs are willing to pay you $2 per 1,000 views for just clipping videos. Now, you can see there are a lot of pages willing to pay you. Well, now let's focus on Whoop University. Now, let's go to Whoop University. Whoop University is willing to pay you $50. $50 per 1,000 views. Now, if you go to Open Whoop, this is how it works. You go to Open Whoop, takes you to that page. As you can see, this is the community page where there are live classes teaching you how to use Whoop, and I advise you guys to join this. I also have a Whoop community where I train young creators. We grow together and make money online while doing it. If you want to join, please click on the description right below. Now, if you scroll down, you keep scrolling on Whoop University, you're going to see a lot of testimonies of people making money in their first day of joining Whoop. Some they make money the first week. It's just so easy to make money on Whoop. You just join Whoop. Either you want to create your own digital platform or you want to start clipping videos for influencers or creators who are ready to pay you good amount of money per 1,000 views, because Whoop is a platform that needs attention. They needs a lot of users. So Whoop is a very big deal. Imam Ghazi just signed a contract with them as a partner. So Whoop is a very big deal. So now, when you scroll, okay, the success on Whoop, slowly making money progress. My first earnings on Whoop, many more to come. That is $1.04. You can see a lot. Now, let's say we want to earn money. Now we go to earn. Then we see a lot of tax they have for us. You can post a lead win in the success app. You get paid for making money. You can see the bouncing. Now, content reward. Now, you can see ITI earned $1,000 from this video for just making videos about them. He made $1,000 by just making videos about them. Now, let's say we want to make our own videos. What do we do? Let's say we click on content rewards right now, and let's look at the requirements. Content rewards, the requirements: video must be at least 5 minutes long. This is for long form videos on YouTube. Most young creators that do UGC channels, our advice is video must be at least 5 minutes long. The video must be dedicated on using Whoop. The video must have a Whoop link in the description. The title of or the thumbnail must include Whoop. A lot of things that you can do, and then when you have your video, you just upload it. Now let's go back to the clipping. Let's say we want to clip videos for somebody. You scroll down and let me just choose this Ambro clip. You just join the waitlist, then you get picked, and then you start clipping for them. Well, let me go to the page now. Take me to the page, to the store page, so I can see who and what am I clipping about for. Now, if you go to Ambro clips, you see make $3 per 1,000 views clipping Ambro. Ambro runs a $20 million per year business, making money by clipping. It's already viral content on TikTok, YouTube Short, and IG. There are already 6,106 people on his own community on Whoop. Now, see what people are saying about him. One of the best Whoop working properly, approving videos paying out. I'm glad that I'm working with him by Pixd Oak. Nico said, love this Whoop. And now you scroll that, you see the different segments, see their content rewards, their clipping charts, Ambro clipping courses. The courses, their courses, if you don't know how to clip videos, yeah. Let me show you some submissions of people that have started clipping. Show you examples of the video. Now, if you go back to the clipping content rewards side, I'm coming. My network is a bit slow. You go to submissions. So submissions are people that are already submitted and already making money. Now, let me show you an example of how this works. You go to submissions. You can see AJ Banks earned
Never
3,500 for just one video. In just a 48 seconds video, he made $3,500. 48 seconds. Now let's look at this. Kevin Dang earned 2,400 $500. How many seconds video? 35 seconds video. So this is actually very easy for you guys to do. Very, very easy for you guys to do. What do you just have to do? You register on Whoop. When you log in or you sign up, you go to content rewards and you start clipping videos for people that are willing to pay you a good amount of money, or you start promoting Whoop online, and Whoop University will pay you for doing that. As you can see, look, I earned $2,000 from this particular video about Imangazi, because Imangazi just partnered with Whoop. You can see a lot of people are doing this already. So remember, you go to Whoop, you register, you go to the discover button, scroll down to content rewards. When you scroll down to content rewards, you pick a page where you want to clip videos for, and then you start clipping for them, and you start making money per 1,000 views you get. So just very easy. We young creators, we want to get our channel monetized and stuff like that. This will help us easier to motivate us, because we know we're earning online. And if you're a student out there, you're a broke student out there, and you want to make money online, this is also for you. It's very easy. Just know how to edit, and editing is not an issue. They also teach you how to edit on it. Don't forget to join my Whoop community down below in this description. If you're young content creators and you want to know more about clipping, you just join it, and then we'll grow together.